Good evening, Namaskar, Adab. My name is A.K. Rahman. On behalf of Philips, I welcome you all to this very special evening. The evening has a theme which is Feel the Music. Feel the music. Ladies and gentlemen, we just think about sound. We think about music. एक बार सोच के देखिए कि without music, our life would be so lifeless. Think about every little sound which makes a difference in our life. अब सोचिए उस ज़माने में, I'm talking about a few years back, when there was no television, when there was just radio. You know, radio, we think about Philips. We think about music. और उस ज़माने में हुआ करता था रेडियो सिलोन. You know, Amin Sayani would come on radio and say, अब भाई और बहनों, आप सुन रहे हैं सिबा का गीत माला. Remember those times? सिर्फ radio. And then we would listen to some good music. Lata Mangeshkar, Mohammad Rafi, Kishore Kumar, and some very, very melodious songs. Now, those were the times when we used to feel the music. Great melodies, great sounds, great music directors, and of course, every little sound, we would feel it. But now times have changed. Times have changed where everything is superficial. We don't enjoy the music. We don't enjoy the sound. But what we have right now this evening is we want you to think and feel the music. Ladies and gentlemen, सोचिए, थोड़ी देर के लिए सोचिए कि we didn't have sound. आवाज बिल्कुल नहीं है. Music बिल्कुल नहीं है. Think about it. No life. शोले का वो डायलॉग याद नहीं आ रहा है? इतना सन्नाटा क्यों है भाई? Ladies and gentlemen, now we will take you on a different level. आपके सामने एक आई मास्क पड़ा है, आई पैड पड़ा है वहां पे? है ना? सबके पास? Everybody's got it? Okay, if you've got spectacles, remove it. Come on, come on, come on. We'll do a little exercise. It's time for me to take you on a dream trip. Now I want you to put that iPad on. Come on, everybody. Everybody. Good. Aankhein band, put the iPad on, and now we want you to close your eyes. ईमानदारी से iPad आंख पे होना चाहिए सर, नाक पे नहीं होना चाहिए. और नाक पे हुआ तो भी चलेगा. All right? But make sure that nobody sees it. Can you see something? Can you hear me? Very nice. Okay. Now what you have to do is, it's simple. The music and say the music.
मेरे मन ये बता दे तू किस ओर चला है तू, क्या पाया नहीं तूने, क्या ढूंढ रहा है तू, जो है अनकही, जो है अनसुनी, वो बात क्या है बता. मितवा कहे धड़कने तुझसे क्या, मितवा ये खुद से तो ना तू छुपा. Love, find a way, जानिए इरी मितवा 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 कहे धड़कने तुझसे क्या, मितवा 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 Come on. Come on. You can make a little more noise. You're allowed to do so. Whoa, look at it.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's give a big round of applause for Consumer Lifestyle India Business Head and Vice President Anjan Bose and Consumer Lifestyle India Senior Director Marketing Gunjan Srivastava. Let's give a big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen.
I want Born to welcome Shankar Ehsan Loy with his customary wolf whistle. I'm sorry. I think our MC is very worried because this was absolutely not part of the agenda, but what the hell? Today is not an evening of agenda, you know. I mean, it's a torture to hear songs like this and standing there behind, and you know, I mean, you don't know what to do because you are, the moment we hear your songs and music.
Malab, sir, you're saying it's a torture to hear our music?
No, it's a torture to stand still there behind.
Okay. Thank God, I got a shock for a
you know,
minute.
that's feeling the music. So, our beloved, respected distributor and dealer friends, you know, Shankar Ehsan Loy, Philips is a big family. Some of them are there with us for 30, 40, 50 years, and that's the Philips culture. You know, we believe in stable marriages for a long time, you know.
Sir, now we are also there, so better late than never, but we are also part of the family.
Yeah. So, it's absolutely my pleasant duty to welcome all of you, and thank you very much for making...
Ready?
Yeah!
Jio Khiladi Vahe Vahe. Jio Khiladi Vahe Vahe. Ade Pade. Are Pare. Gutti Guttam. Archan Kharchan. Chuta Hausla. Badal Faisla. Bada le tu bindaz kafila khel jamale. Kasam utha le. बजा के चुटकी धूल चटा ले, देख घुमा के, come on.